Jeep has made a bunch of really cool concepts over the years, like this Jeep Sandstorm. Inspired by the Baja Desert Racers, the Jeep Sandstorm concept is all about blazing through long, sandy straightaways while still being able to handle the daily driving duties. To accomplish this, the Sandstorm features off-road hardware that will handle both with ease, including an extreme duty suspension system and a powertrain with excess power on tap. The exterior handles and swing gate have been removed while the rear doors have been chopped for a cleaner look. The Jeep Sandstorm is powered by a 6.4-liter V8 engine from the Mopar Performance catalog and is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, which sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? And reminds us that